Bam! Thanks for tuning in. I'm Chris with Chris's Tech Tips. Today we're going to tackle the next step on this 2009 YZ250. We've got the motor built. It is ready to put back into the chassis. While I have it this way, I'm going to go ahead and service the air filter and go ahead and do a quick clean on the carburetor because I know this thing has been sitting all winter. So let's get into it. We're about ready to throw this motor in. Instead of throwing the carburetor off to the side, I'm going to zip tie it kind of up into place. All right, let's get this bad boy in. So good.
Alright guys, we finally made it. Part 9 of the Yamaha all blowed up. Thanks again so much for watching. Just want to tell you a little bit about this bike. It belongs to a good buddy of mine. He's actually riding a different bike, and over the weekend he kind of wadded himself up. So, you know, my thoughts and prayers are out there for him. Also, this last weekend we also had another motocrosser cross over the Vale. I also want to express my condolences to DV's family, and Godspeed, buddy.
Remember, I said 5 kicks. Hopefully this works. Won't choke. One, 2. Bam! We finally finished up this 2009 YZ250F. I'm so glad you guys could be a part of it. Thanks for tuning in. Also, leave me a thumbs up and definitely hit that subscribe button if you liked it. Leave me some comments on this build and some upcoming builds that you guys would like to see. I'm sure glad you guys could tune in. Again, I'm Chris with Chris's Tech Tips, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.